Going back to the railroad, I was asked to come in and train on a new software system that we were implementing. I wasn't involved in the development of the software or choosing which one we were going to do, but I was tasked with going out and training people. I was really excited. I thought this was going to be a great opportunity. I show up to the first office where I'm going to train people, and it was a flop. It was an absolute flop. They really disliked what I was saying, and none of them wanted to use the software. So I had to go and figure out, okay, how do I change this, because I'm not going to have a job if I can't get people to use the software tool. So I spent a lot of time sitting with people, and I said, show me how you do it now. I said, just put that software aside. Just show me how you do your process now and what's important to you. And then I was able to understand what are they doing and what are the challenges that they face. And then I could change how I talk about things and talk about things in terms of how can I solve their challenges. So then I could bring back the software and I could talk about it differently. So instead of just teaching them how to use a tool, I could talk about, well, I know that you have a lot of challenges in viewing work. I know that you have a lot of challenges in collaborating with others because you can't see what they're doing. So let me show you how you can do this with this new tool. So you have to take a couple of steps back and understand.